Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the TV input and remote pairing are correct. First, switch to the HDMI or built-in app where YouTube TV runs. This avoids lag and HDMI handshake issues. Once you've paired the remote in settings and verified batteries, open YouTube TV and sign in. You do this now because account and connection problems block navigation later. Make sure the app shows the live home screen before moving on. This confirms the app and remote respond. Once on the YouTube TV home screen, you'll use the directional pad to jump between live, library, and guide. Press OK to open a show and back to return quickly. This keeps you in control without menus piling up. For fast access, hold the mic or press search on your Samsung remote and speak the show name. This saves time versus scrolling. In the guide, use left/right to jump channels and up/down to move through time slots, which helps you find what's airing now or later. Now focus on playback controls and DVR management. While watching, use play/pause, skip 10 seconds, or scrub the timeline to jump. These give precise control. Save programming to DVR with the +save button and later access it from library right arrow recordings. If you run into issues, troubleshoot. Restart the TV first, then repair the remote. Next, clear the app cache or check for updates. If things still fail, sign out and back in to refresh your session and sync DVR states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.